The launch of our Dubai application lab is a major step forward to our regional strategy. It allows us to be closer to our customers, respond faster to their needs, and offer tailor-made technical support. The Middle East is a dynamic and fast-growing market, and this facility positions us to serve it with greater agility and precision.
Our EXBERRY plant-based natural color solutions are the perfect match for the local market in the GCC region, meeting the trend towards more natural ingredients. Here at our application lab at GNT, we are very proud that we can now support our customers locally, on-site here or at their facility as well.
This important centre in the region reflects our long-term investment. By combining local insight with global expertise, we're creating a space where innovation thrives and customer partnerships deepen. It's more than a lab, it's a platform for collaboration, knowledge exchange and sustainable growth.
A centre built for collaboration, training and product development.
Providing hands-on application support tailored to your market needs.
Bringing global expertise closer to our customers.
We are expanding our footprint to better serve our customers in the GCC region.